In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a subtask a task in Asana. If you're using Asana to manage your projects, you might occasionally find that a subtask is better suited as a standalone task. So let's go through the process step by step to ensure a smooth transition. First, you'll need to log into your Asana account. To do this, open your browser and navigate to the Asana login page. Once there, enter your email address associated with your Asana account. After typing in your email address, click on the Continue button. You'll then be prompted to enter your password. Make sure to input your password correctly and then click the Login button. Great. Now that you're logged in, you should find yourself on the Asana homepage. This is your central hub for navigating through various projects and tasks. From here, proceed to the specific project where the subtask you want to promote is located. Locate the task under which the subtask is currently listed. On the main task, you'll notice a small details arrow icon. Click on this icon to expand the task details. With the details expanded, find the subtask you want to convert to a main task. Hover over this subtask and you should see a hamburger icon appear, usually consisting of 3 horizontal lines. Click on this icon to access additional options related to the subtask. Here's where the magic happens. You can now drag the subtask and drop it into the main task area. This action will effectively convert your subtask into a standalone task. It's a simple yet effective way to reorganize your to-do list, ensuring everything is positioned for maximum productivity. Now, let's say you've changed your mind and want to revert this task back to a subtask. No problem at all. Simply open the main task's details again and then drag the task back into your desired subtask position under another task. This flexibility allows you to experiment with task organization in a way that best suits your workflow. And there you have it. We've covered how to transform a subtask into a task and vice versa within Asana, realizing the full potential of the platform's dynamic task management. This ability to easily shift tasks around can be invaluable, helping you adapt as project requirements evolve. I hope this tutorial has made the process clearer and more accessible for you. Please hit the like button if you found this helpful, or leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.